In this video, we will analyze the operation of the three main programs of the Dalmec Retarder Proofer: blast chilling, storage, and proofing. Menu Overview. The operating logic is the same for all modes. From the main screen, it is possible to select the desired program, access the dedicated interface, and adjust the parameters before starting the cycle. Proofing program. By selecting the proofing icon, you can access the dedicated process control screen. Parameters can be adjusted according to the type of product and the desired result. The cycle starts by pressing Start, while stopping the process is managed through the Stop command followed by confirmation. Proofing with controlled temperature and humidity ensures a consistent and uniform product development, delivering repeatable results and high-quality standards. Blast chilling program. By selecting the blast chilling icon, you can access the dedicated program screen. Here, cycle parameters can be set or modified by adjusting the individual values. To start the process, press the Start button. During operation, the cycle can be interrupted at any time by selecting the Stop command, which always requires confirmation. This program is designed to rapidly stop the proofing process, stabilizing the product. At this stage, the dough is effectively paused and can then be transferred to the storage phase, maintaining its structure and optimal characteristics. Storage program. By selecting the storage icon, you can access the dedicated operating screen. Temperature and humidity parameters can be adjusted according to production requirements. As with the other programs, the cycle is activated by pressing the Start button and can be stopped at any time during operation. This program is designed to stabilize the dough over time, keeping it under controlled conditions. It is particularly useful in high-volume production environments. When it is not possible to process all dough batches consecutively, the storage function preserves their quality and structure, keeping them ready for subsequent processing without compromising the final result. The three main programs, used individually or combined within preset cycles, are designed to guarantee maximum precision and reliability in controlling the proofing process.
Se il video ti è stato utile, lascia un like e seguici per i prossimi contenuti dedicati al display e alla pulizia della macchina.